A routine court hearing quickly turns intense as a judge confronts repeated violations, missed payments, and failed probation conditions.
You want an informal?
Yes, please.
We'll set an informal, my mistake. Give me a date on this one.
April 14th at 10 o'clock.
Good enough. April 14th at 10 a.m. You're going to go down the hall and get your notice and you're all set. Best of luck. Law. Do I have Dion? Did you talk to your lawyer yet?
Yes.
Who's your lawyer?
Mr. Haynes was, I believe that's the other
Okay.
one he said he was ready on.
Zamet. Benjamin Adam Zamet.
Want to go get him?
No, don't let him. He's got others. I'm sorry. 260-647-951. Your name?
And rough.
You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
Now listen, how old are you? You got a careless and you got another ticket and you got this ticket. You got to be careful. Who you with? What's that? The young lady back there. Huh? You're not going to have a young lady if you don't have a license, right? Because they don't want to hang out with guys that have to make them push the cars down the expressway, right? To the charge impeding, responsible or not responsible.
Responsible.
All right, I'll accept the plea to impeding 175. You're all set. Good luck. Please slow down your record. Your insurance company will send you a gift package. Good luck. Tressler. Rodney. Richard Tressler Jr. 252M307186. Your name.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trustler.
Still isn't paid?
I'm close. I could have a balance paid of 2 or 3 weeks.
You're running out of time. Let me check something here. I can't give you any more extensions, sir. I can only keep you on probation for a period of 2 years.
It's at the town.
That's the 9th.
So I know.
And the charge here is that you failed to pay your fines and costs as ordered, balance only $3,546. I'm gonna have to go through the full arraignment here. Do you understand what I'm telling you? I'm gonna have to arraign you, and we're either going to have to have a hearing, or you're gonna have to plead guilty. I want to give you a lawyer. The charges that you failed to pay your fines and costs as ordered, balance owing $3,547. This is primarily all for the record on restitution, right? I mean,
If you don't mind, they
just, I know,
it's 1900 at the moment.
but as of the date of show cause, March 11th, that was the balance allegedly, and I need to arraign you, and we need to go from there. If you plead guilty, or if you're found guilty, you could be incarcerated for up to 1 year. You understand that? And did you sign the advice of rights and read and understand the rights? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we are not going to have a hearing. Do you understand that? If you plead guilty, no, I'm just telling you, if you plead guilty, we're not going to have a hearing. You understand that? If you plead guilty, we're not going to have a hearing. You understand that, right?
So
Slow down. Yeah, I just want to make sure you understand that. Do you understand what I just said? You have the right to a lawyer, and I'm going to be happy to give you one. I think you need one. So I'm going to give you a lawyer. I'm entering a not guilty plea for you, okay? And we are going to have a revocation hearing today. And that's it. So I will indicate that I am going to enter a not guilty plea. I'm going to give you a lawyer. You're going to come back in with the lawyer, and we will go from there. I'll enter a not guilty plea for purposes of arraignment. So you can go down, go sit in the hallway, and we will bring this out, and we will give you an attorney. Any questions? Okay, good luck. Feels a lot better in here now, doesn't it? People against Roth. John Paul Roth, 260-648-002. Could I have seated up at the table here, Nieberdowski, Sarah Nieberdowski? All right, sir, your name?
John Roth, RFK.
All right, Mr. Roth. Let me see what they offered you. That person is the order. You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes,
Responsible or not responsible to that?
responsible.
You're all set. 150, please accept it. It won't go on your record. Go down the hall and make your payment.
Okay.
Prohibited terms dismissed. Good luck. People against Sarah Marie Nieberdowski, 260-647-850. Defendant must not have shown, right? Defendant did not show. Responsible is charged by default. All right. People against Peters. Justin Edward Peters, 260-647-986. Could I also have seated at the table here, Abraham, James Abraham. Sir, your name? All right, how you doing today? You are going to plead to impeding. All right, most of your bad driving happened years ago. To that charge, responsible or not responsible? All right, at 160 is your total. Cash your into the hall to your right, and you're all set. Best of luck.
Thank you.
All right. James Asif Abraham Jr., 260-648-005. Good morning, sir. Your name?
Good morning. James Abraham Jr.
All right. How we doing? Good?
Well, sir.
Pardon?
Well, thank you.
Good. You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Why are you texting?
I was actually talking on the phone, but I just left work. I was just
I know, but
getting
you
down
just-
with the kids and everybody.
I see these people texting and talking, and I'm sorry. I don't understand it. $200. You're all set. Cash you into the hall to your right. Good luck. Thank you. Thornsberry, Johnny Luke Thornsberry. Come on up, sir. 25W839358.
What's that?
Well, I'm gonna go. Did you hire one?
No, he's the guy with the dark skin. Been here, he gets,
He already talked to you?
yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll just wait for him then. My apologies.
Yeah.
Have a seat, okay? Do I have Gage Cartier here? They gave me this one early. And well, that was just for informal, so I'm gonna hold that one. How about Alandis Young? 2OB710244. How's it going, Mr. Young?
It's good to see you. Say thank you. Being lenient. But well,
You thank me for being lenient?
yes,
Have I been too nice?
yes, you have.
I've been too nice?
More than
I've not had too many people tell me I've been too nice before.
well, I've been given time by you.
I know you
One
have.
day you made me like cry because you said I want to put you in jail, and then you said work at McDonald's, and now I'm ready to be honest. To pay my bond. I pay the bond.
Heather,
I live in South Carolina.
do you?
Yes, sir. My wife, me and my wife.
Is this your wife?
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
Thank you.
Did Heather, help me with this one?
Mhm.
You
Yes,
didn't
sir.
show up in 23, right?
Yes, yes, sure. And thank you, ma'am.
Is that-
I'm sorry. What was the name on this one, Judge? I was given a file.
That's okay. You got a lot going. I get it. Alandis Young, 2OB710244.
Okay, and what was the question for this one?
The question is, has all of the restitution, let me just double check.
Been pa-
Has all the restitution been paid?
No, there's still a balance of $350 on the restitution.
Well, I would let this go.
I got it.
I would let this go. And this is Suzanne, Straw, right?
Yes.
Look, how much does he owe right now?
350.
Is that it, Heather?
Yes, Judge, that's all the balance is. It's the 350 of restitution.
Okay. If it wasn't for the restitution owed, I would just waive the balance, but I can't when there's a victim's owed money, so I'm sorry. We're just gonna short circuit this. I'll apply the bond, and she's gonna let you apply the bond, right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Apply bond to payment of fines costs. And the case is closed. Okay, let me just check something here. You should have come and talked to me in
Yes, I
23.
should. Yeah, I'm sorry, you've been very neat, that's why I said it. The time has run by.
I know. It's going too quick, don't you think, Mr. Young?
Yes, sir.
Geez, you and I were born the same year, I think. Let me see here.
It's good.
It's going awful quick. You got me by a few. Who's crying? We'll apply the bond and Kate close the case, Heather. Go down the hall, take care of this.
We'll find out.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. You're living in South Carolina?
Yes, sir.
How nice is that? Good luck.
Thank you, girl.
Have a great day. Good luck, Liam.
You called this case, the one guy showed up. He's still in the courtroom right here. I don't know why there's another guy showed up at the podium when you called this case. But
Who showed up when I called Ali El Hassani?
So what happened there, Judge, is I believe you called one up to the podium and one to sit at the table. And I think the one that was supposed to sit at the table came up. And so when those files came down, that guy came up to the window. We took care of him because you did call that case too.
Wait a minute,
So
I got
Alice-
somebody crying in the lockup here.
The hallway.
Or in the hallway or something. I don't know what's going on. Okay. I want to make sure. Good luck there, Mr. Young.
Thank you.
All right. Heather, I'm lost. What happened? Somebody else
So-
came up. Is that person still
Yeah.
here?
No, they came up. It was Alec Johnson, I believe, came up in place of Elasani, and the files were down here.
Where's Alex Johnson at now?
He is gone.
Well, what? Now I am completely lost. How did we?
So Alec Johnson also did have impeding.
Say
But the
again?
So the files got mixed up, is I believe what happened, because that's when Amy came down and
Reschedule
grabbed
the other
files.
one then, right?
No, they were both written up.
I know, but I told that guy I would let him pay 75 now and the balance 50 bi-weekly beginning April 14th. Mr. Johnson is.
Correct.
Well, we got to reschedule his, right?
Mr. Johnson was the one that was at the podium.
I know.
That's
But
the
I
one
didn't-
that you did. But Mr. Elasani, you did not do. But
You
it was
just wrote
written on
Johnson's
his
on
file
his.
instead of Mr. Johnson's file.
What am I going to do with Johnson now? Was he entitled to impeding?
Yes, he was. So
So
you
I'll-
gave him the correct stuff. It was just written on the wrong file.
All right, just make sure everything's correct down there, will you please? I'm sorry that happened.
Yes,
Ollie-
it is, Judge.
Ali Abdullah El Hassani, 26T 647-961. Good morning, sir. Your name?
Yes, sir.
Your name?
Yes.
What's your name?
Ali
Ali what?
Al Hassani.
All right, you're going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, right? to that charge? Do you plead responsible? Responsible? Okay, I'll accept the plea. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your prohibited turn. And I'm gonna charge you $160, okay? 160 on this guy. Can you pay that today?
Yeah, that would be.
That pleads to impeding 160. So Heather, I'm gonna leave the other on this register and I'm gonna let you fix it, okay?
Okay, Judge.
All right, go down the hall, 160. Please accept it to impeding. Good luck.
Thank you.
15 minutes. So I'm gonna give them till
Right.
1:45, scheduled at 10:30. Who's easiest?
I think Mr. Law would be next for me.
People against, Deanne Tella, Dewande Law, 25F. 243345A, B, C, 25B148445A. All right, his name?
Through against Deion Law, he's gonna plead guilty to failure to pay these matters.
Does he have some money?
He's back to work.
I know, but he's been, we've given him payment plans and he has not complied. And honestly, I just want to caution you. I mean, I'm not going to keep doing this. Sir, let me talk to your lawyer, right?
Yes, sir.
You just can't do this. You just can't do this. You don't pay.
I made a payment, but I haven't completed the.
You're not even close. Where's he working?
I'm working at his board,
Oh, yeah, you too.
the, hiring
A
process.
phlebotomist. How much do phlebotomists make these days?
I don't know how much they make, but I make, $21 an hour,
How many hours do you work?
full-time right now.
Kids?
Sorry, working briefly.
Kids?
Yes, I'm full-time, father of 2 kids. My mom helped me a lot with kids as well, so I'm able to work.
I'm not gonna take his plea. I'm adjourning these for 5 or 6 weeks. Give me a date, May the 16th, 15th, somewhere in there, Heather, please.
Of this month, Judge?
May,
I'm sorry, of April,
May.
of May. Okay. We could, well, let's see. We could do the 14th of May.
14th is fine. What day of the week is that?
That's a Thursday.
You're gonna be in here at 8:30 in the morning, okay? Now, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna expect you to put a dent in these. I don't know why you're doing this. I don't know why you're not calling when we invite you to call. Listen what I'm telling you. Please don't interrupt me.
Sorry.
I don't know why you're not calling and talking to us when we've invited you to call and get an extension. You're just not doing that either. So I'm telling you, my patience is kind of running thin with you. I don't like it. And gave you payment plans and gave you a break and you just keep asking for more. I'll indicate he stands mute on the misdemeanor. Fair? I'll adjourn the other ones. We'll adjourn the hearing on that.
Is the misdemeanor not adjudicated?
It's adjudicated, but he goes 340. So I'll adjourn the hearing on that contempt and I'll adjourn the hearing on the other contempts to May the 14th at 8:30. You can go down the hall and get your notice. You know, all you have to do is be reasonable with this.
I understand, that's what have to be.
All right, well, good. I look forward to it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Let's do Mr. Tressler here. Rodney Richard Tressler Jr., 22M307186. He's got all kinds of restitution. I'm running out of time. He's only got 9-10 days left. Probation runs out on the 9th, so he's got 9 days left.
Judge says it's working on the job and won't have it paid by then. The whole.
You can take a plea from him and I can go from there. You want to do that, Mr. Tressler?
Yeah.
Your name?
Rodney Trussler.
All right, so I already covered your rights. You understand if you plead guilty, you could get 93 days, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you understand all your rights that we just covered, right? If you plead guilty, you're giving up all of those rights and we're not going to have a hearing of any kind. You understand that?
Sure.
To the charge you failed to pay as of the date of the show cause, $3,547. How do you plead? Mr. Tressler,
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I
I'm not going to send you to jail today if that's what you're worried about. So how do you plead to that charge? Failure to pay. Pardon?
guilty.
Did you fail to pay all the amount? I mean, there was an enormous amount of restitution you owed on this. Did you fail to pay as of the date of the show cause, $3,547, correct? And right now, as of today, you owe how much?
1950.
Did he pay the other 1,000 or something? The last payment we show is March
It
13th.
would have been yesterday, the day before.
Is that what the balance reflects, Heather? 1,900 and some?
Sorry, Judge. I went on the wrong screen. He has, 1950 is the balance.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No,
All right. When can you pay this by?
I'm gonna, if I have it by 8, I'll do it by 8.
Let's set it for sentencing on the 8th. We're gonna set a sentencing for April the 8th. And you can come in with the money. We'll set it at 9. If you paid it, I'm not likely to do anything.
Thank you, Carl.
Okay? That's what I'll do. So the guilty plea is accepted, sentencing on that date. Wish you well. Thank you. Still have to give them 10 minutes. How about Thornsberry? Wait. Oh, no.
Right, next two matters on this balance.
Okay, let's call in Ms. O'Donnell on those. Johnny Luke Thornsberry, 25W839-358. Your name, sir?
Johnny Lou Thornsberry.
All right.
Violations, violence, and Thornsberry pleading guilty to all of them we talked about is very tough.
This is an amended order of show cause, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Thornsberry? I'm just asking you, is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
So you have an amended order of amended show cause here that alleges that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs testing positive for a cocaine metabolite on February 23 of 26. That's count 1. You have count 2. Failure to submit to testing is ordered on March the 13th of 26. Count 3. You failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs testing positive for cocaine on a chemical test of March 19th. Count 4. You failed to submit the weekly testing is ordered on March the 25th. And count 6, that you failed to pay your fines and costs as ordered, balance owing as of the date of the show cause of $880. Do you understand those are the charges?
Yes.
You understand you plead guilty to those charges, that your probation could be revoked, and you could be incarcerated for the maximum provided by law, which in your case is up to 90 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to ask you to look at me and tell me as to count 1. How do you wish to plead to the charge that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs testing positive for a cocaine metabolite on February 23 of 26?
Guilty.
Did you test positive for a cocaine metabolite on that day? Had you consumed cocaine within the 7 days preceding that?
Yeah.
Count 2, that you failed to refrain or failed to submit the weekly testing as ordered. And March the 13th. How do you plead to that?
Guilty.
Okay. I act like you're kind of acting like I'm keeping you awake here.
No, I'm just,
I'm asking you, how do you plead to the charge you failed to submit the testing as ordered on March the 13th?
guilty.
Did you fail to submit the testing that day?
Yes, sir.
For the charge you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs testing positive for cocaine on March the 19th of 26. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you test positive for cocaine on March the 19th, and had you consumed cocaine within the 7 days before that?
Yes, sir.
Count 4, that you failed to submit the weekly testing
Yes, sir.
as ordered on March the 25th. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you failed to submit the testing as ordered on March the 25th of 26. And count 6, finally, that you failed to pay your fines and costs as ordered. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to pay your fines and costs as ordered?
Yes, sir.
Does he still have a balance of 880, Heather?
Yes, Judge.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
Nothing.
Pleas are accepted, counts 1 through 6. Your name?
Hold on.
Ooh, this isn't good.
Judge, if I could.
Yeah,
I know it doesn't look great, and we just got sentenced. Johnny's been very honest with me about his use, his issue with not having money to test. He's in a much better situation than he was when he was sentenced. He does have good employment now. He's just getting paid. I believe his first paycheck is tomorrow or sometime this week. He is back enrolled in treatment. He's doing well at Team Wellness. He sees both a therapist and a psychiatrist. If everything goes as planned, if everything for testing goes well with the treatment center, he will be on Suboxone later this week. I think that's a good option for him. I think that's something that'll help him moving forward. Again, he's very honest about his use and need for help and things like that. And again, I think his employment was something that was struggling with it. So when he did have money, he always showed up for testing and everything like that. It wasn't always negative, but he did show up. Again, I think getting on Suboxone and getting back enrolled, he'll be an IOP soon as well. I think that'll help him out quite a bit.
you're riding to the rescue.
No, he's being.
Reminds me of an old John Wayne movie. You know that? I mean,
I think he would have been a good.
I get it.
Candidate.
Hey, listen, you've been straight with me the whole time. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. This can't go on anymore. You're gonna kill yourself. I'm gonna adjourn your sentencing now. I expect you to show for testing, and I expect you to be negative for testing. Now, let's get this straight. When did he last test?
The last test I have for him is going to be that March 19th.
If I send you for a test today, are you going to pass though?
I'm not sure. It's been 4 or 5 days.
So you consumed still 4 days ago? So she's just singing your praises here and you're still using.
I'm struggling.
Okay, that's fair. All right, so what do you think we can do to help him get through this?
Again, I think if he stays clean by Thursday, he'll get on Suboxone. I think
Yep.
that'll help a lot with his
All right.
meetings and things like
All
that.
right, let's do this. I'm simply going to, I'll accept all those pleas, as I said. I'm going to excuse me. Give me a sentencing date, Heather. In about 3 weeks, please. And let's see how he's making out then. Somewhere around April the 21st.
We could do the 22nd, Judge. Does that work?
At 8:30, okay? You gotta make a better effort. I'll adjourn your sentencing. Suboxone is great for you, but you're still gonna have to do this on your own. You follow me?
I didn't hear what you said.
I said, I'm glad you're going on Suboxone. But you still gotta make up your mind you're not gonna use. You understand?
Yes, sir.
That's what we'll do. Thank you. All right, good luck. Do I
Judge,
have,
Can we get
do
the
I
name
have-
of who's in county?
what's your name, sir?